Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In our previous video we covered the basic of OOP, classes, object and constructor. Today we are going to discuss a key principle of OOP, that is encapsulation. So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the practice of binding of data which is attribute and the methods which are functions that operate on the data into a single unit or a class. It restricts direct access to some of the object components, which is a mean of preventing accidental misuse of the data. Encapsulation helps to protect an object internal state by making the fields private and providing public methods to access and update the fields. This ensures that internal state of an object is maintained properly and can only be changed in a controlled way. To maintain encapsulation, we use getters and setter methods. Getter are used to retrieve the value of a private field and setter are used to update the value of a private field. If you don't know what is private, then it is an access modifier in Java. There are basically 4 types of access modifier. We will cover these in the upcoming videos. Now let's jump into the IDE where we will see how we can create getter and setters of a class. So I have already created a public class. For this, first I will create an attribute, and I will create private attribute for this class, private attribute, and I will give private int age. So one attribute I have created. Now I will create getter method for this attribute. Getter method get age. So this is my get method to get the age of this person class, and similarly I will create setter method as well. Setter method and set age. So this is my setter method. Let me do one thing. Let me add one validation here. If age is less than 0, then I will do sys out age must be positive and return. In this example, age field is private, so it cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. The getAge method returns the value of a age field, and setAge method set the value of a field after validating it. Now let's see a complete example of encapsulation. We will create a car class with private fields color, model and year, and provide public getter and setters to access and update these fields. So let me switch to car class, and here I will create first private fields, private string color, private string model, and private int year. And now let me create one display info method first to display the state of this class. So method to display car details, and in this I will create public void display info, and it will be sys out. Inside this I will first print model, and then color, and in the end I will print year. Now let me create getter and setters for these classes. First let me create setter methods. So I will type set color, then set model, and then set year. So setters are completed. Now let me create getter methods. And it will be get color, first one, then get model, and then finally get year. So our car class is completed. Now let me go to demo class, and in the main method we will create first object of this car class, obj equal to new car. If you don't know how to create object classes and object in Java, then you can refer my previous tutorial where I have explained how to create classes, object and what are constructor in Java. Link I will give you in the I section. So now first let me call setter methods to set the values into the object. So obj dot set color will be red, then obj dot set model, then obj dot set year 2021. Now let me call getter methods to get the value of object fields. So here I will do sysout, and first I will print the color, and I will call obj dot get color. So it will return color of that object which is of car class. Then sysout, same way, sysout, I will print model, whatever model it has stored in this object, get model, and then sysout we will print year, obj dot get year. Let me save this code and run. So in the console you can see color is red, model is Toyota, and year is 2021. Now what I will do, I will call display info method. So obj dot display info method, and we will verify same thing here as well. So you can see it is printing Toyota, color is red, and year is 2021. To sum up, encapsulation is a fundamental principle of OOP that help protect an object's internal state by restricting direct access to its fields. By using access modifier and getter and setters method, we can control how the data is accessed and modified. Understanding and implementing encapsulation ensures that our code is more secure, maintainable, and modular. Have you used encapsulation in your Java project? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.